then I saw the raw video and I saw that you'd added these yellow lines.
Yeah,
You did, yeah?
yeah. No, that was I didn't think they would show up very well because in the preview on After Effects they were quite like vague.
Mm.
But obviously the video it'll be a little bit vaguer. But I think I don't know, it just looked amazing
No,
when I
they look-
when I put it on. I could sort of see the like yellow line. I added the yellow lines as well,
yeah.
just because I don't know. I was messing around. I think the logo actually was a sort of big inspiration for a lot of the sort of graphics. Just the lines. I could do a lot with the yellow lines, really. Like as it's part of their brand, it'd be nice to get that in the video. That's kind of my way of thinking.
Because that's the original shot there, isn't it?